Good morning, everyone. We have started our chapter number 1, that is mole concept, or you can say basic concept of chemistry. In this mole concept, we have learned about the atomic mass, and today we'll learn about stoichiometry. So, what do I mean by stoichiometry? So, क्या होता है एक स्टोइकोमेट्री क्या होता है तो कभी भी वेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग द रिएक्शन दैट रिएक्शन will give you number of information in that. You can identify the number of moles involved in it, which atoms are involved with, number of atoms involved in it. So whenever you are writing a balanced reaction, it is called the stoichiometry of reaction. For an example, if I am talking about N2 plus H2 will give NH3, and on balancing this you will get N2 plus 3H2 produces 2NH3. So this is your balanced reaction, and this balanced reaction is known as stoichiometry of reaction. So from the stoichiometry of reaction, you can find that, you can see that 1 mole of nitrogen gas react with 3 moles of hydrogen gas to produce 2 moles of ammonia. Clear? This is how we can identify the things. Many of the times you will find some catalyst, temperature, pressure, everything is given in the reaction. And on seeing the reaction, you will find that whatever the information is given, it will be useful to use. Clear? Now, let us take, whenever I am saying that 1 mole of nitrogen, you can say that 1 volume of nitrogen gas react with 3 volume of hydrogen gas to produce 2 volume of ammonia gas. You can say it as mole, you can say it as volume again, right? So when the temperature and pressure are same, then the volume are directly proportional to the moles. So we can calculate the moles and masses. So when we find, if we want to find the mass of this reaction, what you will say that 1 nitrogen is having 14 gram and 2 nitrogen will have 28 gram. Same, there are 6 hydrogen, therefore 6 gram of hydrogen. 1 ammonia is having 17 gram, 2 ammonia will be having 34 gram. So again you can say that 28 gram of nitrogen gas react with 6 gram of hydrogen gas to produce 34 gram of ammonia gas. Clear? Let me give an example. Let us take one question and explain the different types by taking mole method or mass method. Suppose the question is, calculate the mass of oxygen gas produced on heating 15.25 gram of KClO3. When you are reacting this KClO3, potassium chlorate, on heating it will produce oxygen gas. So we need to calculate the mass of oxygen gas produced in this reaction. So the very first thing we are supposed to write is the reaction, that is KClO3. On heating it will produce KCl plus oxygen gas. Now balance the reaction. O2 gas, and we need to balance is 3O2, then here it will be 2, and you know the balancing, how to balance, right? So I am not explaining how the reaction is balanced, you know that. So 2 KClO3 on heating will produce 2 KCl solid and 3 oxygen gas. Now we are supposed to calculate the mass of this oxygen gas produced in this reaction. So the first method for this is mole method. We can go for mole method. What this mole method indicates, from the stoichiometry of reaction, you can say 2 moles of KClO3 on heating produce 2 moles of KCl and 3 moles of oxygen gas, right? So we can write 2 mole of KClO3 on heating produce 2 moles of KCl and 3 moles of oxygen gas, right? Now when we are expressing in mole, so let us calculate the mole of this KClO3. We know how to calculate moles. Yes, So moles is nothing but given mass upon molar mass. ठीक है, इस तरह से हम moles को find कर सकते हैं. Any substance given, we can find the mole by given mass upon molar mass. On calculating moles of KClO3, the given mass of KClO3 is 15.25 gram. So 15.25 gram upon mass of KClO3, sorry, molar mass of KClO3. So molar mass of KClO3 is 122.5. So just calculate this and you will get the moles of KClO3. So with the help of the stoichiometry reaction, we can find the moles of KClO3. Once we have find the KClO3's moles, you can just take the stoichiometry of the reaction and can find. How will we find? That is, 2 moles of KClO3 can produce 3 moles of oxygen gas. Right? So here we will write 2 moles of KClO3 can produce 3 moles of oxygen gas. Right? So 1 mole can produce how much? Correct. 3 by 2 moles of oxygen. If 1 mole can produce 3 by 2 moles of oxygen, then the moles we have obtained over here, that mole can produce how much? Simply you need to multiply it and you will get the moles of oxygen. Clear? So this is for you. You just need to calculate it. Done? So this is your mass method. The another method you can find is the one more thing. Here we are getting moles of oxygen. So after getting moles of oxygen, what we are supposed to find? Mass of oxygen. So once we have calculate the moles of oxygen, you can find the mass of oxygen with the same formula. Moles is given mass upon molar mass. We know the molar mass of oxygen. We know the moles of oxygen. So mass will be mole into molar mass. So let me say you that mass of oxygen is equal to moles into molar mass. Clear? So this is how on the basis of mole method you can calculate this. The another method is mass method. So what is mass method? Again, the mass method will say that, again we will write the reaction, that is 2 KClO3 produces on heating KCl plus O2, on balancing 2 KCl and 3 O2. Now mass of KClO3 is 1 to 2.5 gram. Here we are having 2 KClO3, therefore 2 into 122.5 gram. It will give, we are supposed to find for oxygen. So 3 into 1 oxygen is 16, 2 oxygen is 32, so O2 is 32 gram. So this much gram of KClO3 can produce 3 into 32 gram of oxygen. Now, if this much gram of KClO3 can produce this much oxygen, that 1 gram of KClO3 can produce 3 into 32 upon 2 into 122.5 ग्राम. क्लियर? ये तो हमने मोलर मास से निकाला है ना KClO3 का. ओके, सो यू विल गेट दिस. नाउ if 1 gram can produce this, now the mass given for KClO3 is 15.25 gram. If 1 gram can produce this much of oxygen, then 15.25 gram can produce how much? Simply multiply it by 15.25 gram. So here you will get the gram of oxygen. Clear? So on seeing the stoichiometry of the reaction, you can find and you will get many of the information given in the equation. So this is how we can calculate. In the next lecture, we'll continue our chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.